So the way that I like to say it is connecting previously unconnected assets to the internet was, is, did, and is going to continue to change the world. And so I wasn't here when you went through that, oh my gosh, the world is going to change moment. So talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, that was incredible because CAT had these huge generators.
Mm-hmm.
And one of their use cases was out in the Saudi desert.
Mm-hmm.
So there's literally in the middle of nowhere, and they wanted to be able to remotely monitor those. And so they developed a satellite tracking technology that not only would allow them to know that it was on or off, but to literally read the data bus and see the performance of that thing. They know when it was going to run out of fuel. They knew everything about it. And not only did they know it, but they could actually control it backwards.
Yeah, unbelievable.
And I just remember thinking, are you kidding me? Somebody could be sitting at their desk in Peoria and running a generator that's lighting up a village in halfway around the world.